What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on Ethfi, and in today's video guys, we do have an update on Ether.Fi, which has pumped up just about 24% in the last 24 hours. However, has taken a slight dip in the last hour or two. As you guys can see, it did hit $5.12 earlier this afternoon. However, right now it has started to hit red candles. So what is next for Ethfi? Is it likely to pump back up? Is it literally going to just drop back down in value? What we're going to be doing is the usual, going through its prediction over the short term and over the long term in 2024, and also looking at, is this a crypto to be investing into in 2024, and if so, when is the best time? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, and as you guys can see, the crypto a few days ago was literally in the red zone, and it did resist and break out into the green zone, and did break out into the dark green zone earlier this morning. However, has resisted and dropped back down into the green zone right now. So that is the right thing to do, especially that it has hit the resistance target. I'll explain that in a little bit more detail later on in the video. So for now, I'm going to hide this and bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. And also, just to give you guys a heads up, this is literally a new crypto. Again, not like it's been listed a few days ago, but it was listed back in March, so just about 2 months. So there is not a huge amount of data on the crypto, so the long-term prediction may not be as possible. So again, we got the purple line running across the chart here at the top, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Ethfi, which is here in purple at $3.77. However, the crypto is trading at a slightly higher value here in red at $4.73, meaning it is performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bullish, heading towards a positive direction. They are not looking too steep either, meaning minimal gains in value are expected from Ethfi over the next 12 to 14 hours, so towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow. However, as you guys can see, the orange line is looking a little bit too steep to be realistic, so I am expecting an overall drop in value, potentially dropping down to $4.60, $4.50 and 60, somewhere around that price range is where I'm expecting Ethfi to be trading at by the end of the day today. Reason being is it has done quite a huge pump earlier this morning, and it is overvalued and likely to go for a price correction, and hence why it is hitting red candles right now, and it is currently going for a price correction, and it is likely to drop down a little bit further over the coming hours, making it drop down just over $4.50 is what my expectations are. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, well, here we are looking a little bit too steep guys. We've got both the blue and the orange line looking too steep to be realistic. Exact same as the previous chart due to the major pump that's taken place. So over the next 7 to 8 days, potentially by mid to end of next week, I'm expecting Ethfi to be trading at just around $5 in value. So yes, at a higher value than where it is at the moment. However, not a huge increase in value. Reason being is I'm expecting it to hit green days as well as red days, so it's likely to be quite volatile, hence why the increase in value is not as huge as expected due to the red days taken into consideration, meaning hitting around $5 in value is where I'm expecting Ethfi to be trading at by mid to end of next week. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Again, as you guys can see, the MACD indicator is not complete. Reason being is the lack of data on the crypto, meaning the long-term prediction is not really well, even if I do it, it's not going to be accurate. So we are going to stick to the next month and a half. So mid to late June and early July, I'm expecting Ether.Fi to have dropped back down in value to around just over $3 is where I'm expecting the crypto to be trading at. Reason being is, even though I'm expecting the crypto market to be pumping and Bitcoin to be hitting new all-time highs and so on, I'm not expecting a similar situation for Ether.Fi because it is not as sustainable as it seems from the predictions and research that I have done. So I'm expecting it to drop down to just over $3 by late June, early July is what my predictions are. However, if there are any major changes to this, I will let you guys know as soon as possible. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. So as you guys can see, the crypto is currently trading in the green zone and it is expected to hit the dark green zone potentially over the coming week or two, hitting just over $5. And after that, early June and late June, July, it is likely to start hitting red candles, dropping back down into the red zone, down to the $3 mark is what my predictions are. So heading back into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 85% in the last 24 hours, making it over $619 million in trading, which is again quite a huge increase in trading. Reason is quite obvious, the major pump that's taken place earlier this morning. However, it is slowly starting to dip back down. Over the week, 41% with increases here earlier on 3 days ago, and then took a little bit of a dip and right now pumping again, and over the month it is up just over 20%. However, we have seen major drops in early May, as you guys can see here, but overall it is performing quite well right now. So yeah, this is my take and my prediction on Ether.Fi, guys. A lot of people have been saying this crypto is going to 10x in this year, meaning hitting around $50 in value, which I'm not expecting at all. Reason for that is it will require a major increase in percentage and value, of course, but that will make it not sustainable, meaning I'm not expecting that. Let me know in the comment section down below how high you guys are expecting Ether.Fi to go in 2024. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.